Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the door seal on this Frigidaire oven. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The oven door seal, or gasket, is responsible for creating a tight seal between the oven door and the appliances cabinet. It's located on the front of the range and is typically held in place with a small metal clip, often called an oven gasket clip. If these clips are missing or damaged, the seal may become loose, which can affect baking performance. When a seal becomes soiled with food or grease, it can become hard and no longer soft and pliable. A seal that is no longer flexible, misaligned, or damaged can make it harder for the oven to maintain a consistent temperature, reducing both efficiency and cooking results. If you need to purchase a replacement door seal, you could check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. You can complete this replacement without any tools, but you might find a pliers and a screwdriver handy in making this repair easier. To remove the door seal from your oven, be sure that your oven is off and cool to the touch. Open the oven door all the way. Using your fingers, locate one of the metal oven gasket clips. Firmly grab the seal near where the oven clip goes into the cabinet and slowly pull it straight out. If you need assistance with this, you can use the pliers to grasp the clip and pull it free from the appliance. The clips have two small metal arms that form a T-shape inside of the seal. Continue to remove all the clips from the oven until you get to the bottom of the oven opening. Here, you will see that the remaining seal is pushed into the two holes in the oven cabinet. Pull the seal from each hole. The seal should now be free from the appliance. If you need to purchase a new oven seal, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. When installing your new seal, be sure to not catch it on any sharp surfaces, as the seal will start to unravel if it is cut or torn. Locate the first clip on either end of the seal. Start on either the left or right side of the two holes in the bottom of the oven cabinet. Press the first clip on the seal into the first mounting hole. You will notice that there are 3 mounting clips for each corner. If your clips do not match up with the mounting holes, remove the seal by pulling out all of the clips and starting over. Continue around the opening of the oven cabinet and be sure not to skip any mounting holes or clips when attaching the seal to the appliance. Once you get back to the bottom near the 2 mounting holes, be sure that all the clips are fully inserted into the appliance and the seal is firmly attached around the entire opening of the oven cabinet. Feed the end of the seal into the closest hole where the seal starts. If you need assistance with this, you can use something like a screwdriver to help push the seal into the oven cabinet holes. To assure that you do not damage the new seal, be sure that the tool that you use to push the seal in does not have any sharp edges that could tear or snag the seal. Close the oven door and your oven is now ready for use. Well, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching and we'll see you later.